Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable touch controls for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. You have to start by open Philips headphones application and then go to the settings at the right bottom. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the application, then you will see the same menu. So let's go to the settings. And right here at the fourth line we have touch controls. By default it's enabled, and if you don't need it, just tap one time at the slider have colorful background. And now we cannot use touch controls, we can check it. So by default to call voice assistant you need to press and hold at the touch area on your left earbud, but right now I disable it and I press and hold. And as you can see nothing happened. So let's return. To enable it you need to also tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And now let's check again. Oh, I need to make this. And as you can see I wake voice assistant. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.